All right, guys, you know me, Teddy Hodges from AP Systems, and yes, I'm back into the field. Here to introduce the newest family member to the AP system. This is our APmeter. It's a smart meter with a CT clamp to help you with that zero export on your EZ1 device. Now, this is a truly plug-and-play device. Watch me as we hook it up simply. It comes with this meter and a few different wires. Here's our power wires. We're going to truly plug and play right here. Connected. We have our CT clamp right here. Truly plug and play on this end. Connected. And it also comes with an antenna. And again, that simply plugs in right at the front of the device. Now, the hardest part is going to be getting your dead front cover plate off of your breaker systems. And you don't need any other screwdriver or device once you have that off. So, a simple homeowner can grab the CT and you want to hook it on the correct phase you plugged your microinverter in. So if you plugged it in on line 1 or line 2 from your circuit, here's a TED tip for you. Electrical 101, you're going to have every breaker in your house labeled inside the dead front cover. So come down to your device and figure out what plug-in you put it into. Now, if you can't find the label or it's not labeled and you don't know, just go ahead and flip the breakers till that plug-in goes off. So first we're going to grab our CT meter and we're going to hook it around our phase line. Now, this microinverter at this house is on line 1. So you're going to have to verify that and find that breaker that you're connected to. So we're going to take our CT clamp and simply open it up and put it around line 1. The CT meter is done on that one. Then we're going to take our antenna that has a magnet. We're going to position our antenna in a convenient place where we can leave it inside this box. Next, we're going to come to our power. Now, we have a power device here and our ground. We're going to hook it in. It has these fancy magnets right here, guys. Watch. That's hooked in. No tools, no devices. The next one goes right on the ground and you'll see the AP meter light up. Now you're ready to go onto the app, sync it to your microinverter, and watch the magic work. That is our new AP meter helping your zero export device for the EZ1 microinverter.
All right, we're going to open our AP Systems EasyPower app. We're going to search our devices and add our AP smart device. It's going to scan for our Bluetooth device, and that smart meter will emit, as you can see it populate there. Click on it, it's going to connect. You're going to go through some steps to verify your wiring is correct and you're on the correct phase. Once you have your password, it's going to start the setting process and set up the Wi-Fi. Once you have selected your Wi-Fi and it's connected, you have the option to either enable export limit function and set that value, or you can set up the finishing. We're going to select export function. And we're going to set remote control. Now you can see our devices online and normal. Currently we have 349 watts exporting to the grid. At this site, we do have a net metering, so we are not concerned about over exporting. Your site may be different. If you have any questions about setting up your new AP system meter or your new EZ1 device, please contact us